Just hours ago, a man convicted of killing 5 people in separate incidents 4 years ago was sentenced to 60 years in prison.
But not before hearing from grieving families. Jason Miles is live downtown with more. And Jason, I understand it was a very emotional time for everyone in that courtroom.
Very emotional. At one point, even the judge appeared to tear up as one victim's mother spoke. Let's take you inside the courtroom, 14th floor of the CJC. 25-year-old Louis Santee sat and listened for nearly an hour today as families poured out their emotions. All of them with loved ones Santee is accused of fatally shooting back in 2019 in 3 separate incidents. Those victims include grandparents Ramiro and Rosalvo Reyes, both in their 60s, who were killed after returning home from the hospital where Rosalvo Reyes' mother had just passed away. Investigators believe it was a case of mistaken identity and that Santee and an accomplice in that case mistook the Reyes' car for someone else's car, their intended target tied up in some sort of gang dispute.
I hope he realizes what he did eventually, because I don't think he still has. But I just hope that he changes his life before he dies.
Other incidents tied to Santee include a drive-by where people were shooting a music video. 2 young men died on that scene, while a third shooting took the life of a 19-year-old. That young man's mother saying in court today that she keeps trying to wake up from a never-ending nightmare. Now, even the DA's office called this a logistical, complicated case because you have 5 victims tied to this one suspect sentenced today in relation to at least one of those cases. We're still awaiting more details from the DA's office, but as you said, still a very emotional time down at the courthouse. Reporting live, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.